So let's see how you did on those examples. Firstly, let's take A. So you can see that A has a latitude of 40 degrees north and a longitude of 120 degrees west. Let's have a look then at B over here. So we can see if we go across that B has a latitude of 60 degrees north and a longitude of 40 degrees east. Moving on to C over here. So C is directly on the equator, so it has a latitude of 0 degrees, either north nor south, as it's right on the equator. And then let's look for our longitude. So you can see our longitude here doesn't directly correspond on 40 or 80, it's exactly halfway in between, and so therefore that would be 60 degrees west. So C is 0 degrees for the latitude and 60 degrees west for the longitude. Next up we have D over here. So D going across has a latitude 20 degrees north, and then the longitude, you can see a similar problem to the previous one. It's to the east, and it's somewhere between 0 and 40. As it's halfway in between, it will be 20 degrees east. So 10 degrees north and 20 degrees east. Next we've got E. So E has a latitude of 40 degrees south in the southern hemisphere, and let's look for the longitude. So if we come down here, a little bit more tricky. Again, it's not 80 degrees, it's somewhere between 80 and 120, and we can see that it's halfway between this point and this point. So this is the 80. This point here is halfway between 80 and 120. There's 100, and it's halfway between those two. So it would be 90 degrees west. So it has a latitude of 40 degrees south, and it has a longitude of 90 degrees west. And then finally F over here. So we can see F is right in the middle of two lines, so a similar line over here. So halfway between 40 and 60, so 50 degrees north. And coming down here, we can see we're in a similar position to last time. So it's halfway between 80 and 100 degrees east, so it would be 90 degrees to the east. So hopefully you can do those and you've completed our quiz and you're confident at estimating the latitude and longitude off a map. We'll finish up to see if we can do this the opposite way round in the next video.